Hello children, welcome back to Busy Bees channel. Today we will write phonics story on long A sound and long E sound. Okay, those who haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Yes, please write the date, write the heading. Today we are in day 20. Our heading for today is long A. Do you know what is long A sound? For all the letters in English alphabet, they do have a name and they do have a sound. Here long sounds are nothing but they use their name. Those letters, they use their names. Instead of using their sound, they use their name. Let's see how it is. C-H-A-S-E, chase. We pronounce it as chase. As we all know, CH is a digraph. We pronounce CH as ch. And here we are not using the sound as a. We are using its name a. Chase. Chase had a bike. Chase had a bike that was grey. Chase had a bike that was grey. Grey is a color. Here also we are using grey. We are not pronouncing Y, and A is taking its name, that is long A sound. He rode it down to the bay. A. Y is silent here. Bay. Here A is taking its name, so it is long sound. Long sound is nothing but it takes their name. The letters will take their name instead of you taking their sound. Boat. He saw a boat with a sail. He saw a boat with a sail. Here we are using long A sound, that is a sail. He watched a man. He watched a man deliver. He watched a man deliver mail. Again in mail, A is not taking its sound, it's using its name, so it's long sound. So this is a small passage which insists the long A sound. Let me read the passage. Chase had a bike that was grey. He rode it down to the bay. He saw a boat with a sail. He watched a man deliver mail. Okay, now let's take I'll take a different color pen and I will underline the long A sounds. Here, ch, a, s. A is not using its sound, it's using its name. Chase had a bike that was grey. Again in grey, A is taking its name. Instead of using its sound, he rode it down to the bay. Again bay. He saw a boat with a sail. Again in sail, A is taking its name. He watched a man deliver mail. That is A, mail. It is using its name instead of using its sound. That is long sound, long vowel sound. That is called long vowel sound. It's not short vowel sound, that is long vowel sound. The long vowel sounds will use their names instead of using their sounds. And then let's see long E sound. That means the sound of E is a. If it is long vowel E sound, then we have to use its name as it is. E as E, not a. Let me write the passage and then we will identify the long E sound words. D, A, V, E. Devi, loves. Devi loves to eat cheese. Devi loves to eat cheese. He always says more, M-O-R-E, more, please. Devi loves to eat cheese. He always says more, please. Cheese makes Devi happy. Cheese makes Devi happy. He even eats cheese with gravy. He even eats cheese with gravy. Okay, this is our passage. As you all know, long vowel sound is nothing but it takes its name instead of taking its sound. Here let me tell you what are the words where E takes its name instead of its sound, that is long vowel sound. Okay, here Devi loves to eat. Here eat, cheese. Here all the E says their name. E as E. Like please, cheese makes Devi happy. He even eats. Again E, cheese, E with gravy. Okay, now let me tell you something. Here we have other long E sounds as well, where we have long E sound, that is E sound, that is where happy. Here Y takes the sound of E, long E sound, happy and gravy. In happy and gravy, Y takes long E sound. Sometimes Y takes long E sound and sometimes it takes long I sound as well. Here in this passage it is taking long E sound, and also Devi, EY also is taking long E sound. Devi, yes, like monkey, donkey. See, the ending sound is, we have Y written there, but it takes the sound of long E, that is it takes the sound of E, long E sound. So you have to be very careful in those things. Don't think that there is no E, so that is not long E. Sometimes Y pretends to be long E or long I. Okay. Now these are my examples. Long A words cake, lake, bake, take, and long E words monkey, delete, theme, these, extreme. These are long E words with which have long vowel sound. long vowel A and long vowel E. These are my examples. You write your own examples, as many words as you can, and please post me the pics to my WhatsApp number. I have given the WhatsApp number here. You can post your pics to me, and let me see who is making more words on long A sound and long E sound. Okay children, please subscribe the channel, like our video. Bye. Take care.